Bulletin, please stand by for important weather message. The National Weather Service in Gravity City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Gravity Republic. Until 12:30 p.m. at 11:40 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Gravity City, or 6 miles east of Gravity Mall, moving north to northeast at 12 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for the following cities in Gravity Republic, Gravity City, and Gravity Mall.